Good afternoon. Just thought I'd make another video to bring you up to date of where I'm at. Would encourage you to go back and look at my previous videos. I think this is number 9 or 10. And so I think I did a complete video on this power wall here. But it's all hooked up. I do have it hooked up outside and plugged in. I actually have the trailer in my driveway now because I'm doing some finish work in here and stuff. It's just more convenient. But the AC's been working fine in here. I had it on for a couple of days. It goes down to eco mode. Runs at about 290 watts overnight and really shuts off almost to nothing because it just frees you out of here. In the daytime, it's working harder. Runs about 600 watts and then gets down to run in eco mode at 290. Anyway, this is what I got going on here. This is all pretty much done. I do have to do a final paint on everything. Most of what you see here is just the initial coat, and I've already bumped things up and got some putty on a few things that got to be sanded off. I did get most of the switches wired. This is the ceiling lights here coming in the door, and you can see them on and off, and the dimmer works just fine. I really like it. I am liking this black roof. Once I get those cabinets along that are all white and everything, I think it's going to look really good. So I'm kind of liking that now. Anyway, so what I got going on here, I got the induction cooktop will be here Monday, and I'll be putting countertops in and getting the paneling on the outside here. I'm just kind of waiting to put this paneling up until I get the shower nozzle mounted, and then I can put the paneling up and get these cabinets, get the sink mounted. Not a lot of work there. But the main thing I've done this week, I spent a lot of time. It took a lot of time to get these holding tanks and pipes and all, and I kind of explain what's going on here. Just a quick look at the bathroom. I don't have the shower faucet nozzle hooked up, but you can see what I got going on. Again, I need final paint in here as well. And I got the vent up through the roof there. I don't have any trim back here. I got a cabinet that's going to go over here, so I'm kind of waiting to get that before I finish this off in here with trim and do final paint. But the toilet is installed. Plumbing has got to be just connected back there. And I got a bidet hose there. Got the lights in here, on, off, and then got a caulk on my fingers. Fan's all working good up there. That's what that looks like up top there. And anyway, so yeah. So, so what's going on down here on the floor, just because of some design decisions I had to make based on where the frame was and the tanks are. This right here, where my foot is a black water vent coming up. The edge of that black water tank is about 1 inch on this other side of this pipe here. That's as close as it is. That's why the toilet is where it is. I've got it kind of slanted so your knees are in this way. You're not hitting any wall. You've got a lot of wing room here. You can see the wall. So it actually feels pretty large when you're sitting on it. I built a little table there for some counter spot. That'll flip down, but it'll probably just stay up for the most time. And so, yeah, I got more holes. You can't see them under here. This is a little panel that comes off from the shower. And right underneath there, I've got 2 holes where the shower drains and the sink drains into one. They tee off and go in there. And then I've got a vent that comes up from one and comes over underneath this cabinet. And that's what you can see, this T here. So the gray water and black water vent out that same pipe. That blue pipe obviously is the cold water coming in from the tank. So I'm going to build a little bump out over this. It'll just be like a little wood bump out there so you won't see that. Cover it up and paint it white. And yeah, you can set whatever on it. It'll look good. Anyway, and so under the sink here, I got all the plumbing ready to go. Drop the sink in and connect all that up. I got a little shower thing got to pop through the other side. But I'll be done with the bathroom when I get the cabinet in and get the faucet in. I've got the plumbing just got to connect up here. It's ready to go down here as well. I've got to hook up the hot water tank and all that business, and that's coming in, and then I got to go back up into the shower, drill a hole here and go up in that wall. This right here is where I got another hole there. I don't know, you probably can't see that down there, but going into the tank, that's where the sink is going to drop in rather than run it back over to those other ones. I just drop it in right there. Anyway, so that's where I'm at. I think the kitchen is going to go pretty quick once I get the backstops up in the wall, because it's really just bolting cabinets in. And I'm going to do a backsplash similar to that one. So anyway, that's where I'm at. So yeah, the bathroom's essentially done. I'd say about 90%. I got a few little finish things to do. And yeah. That's the knob down there. Hot and cold water and all that business. And then the shower head, which will mount on this thing here, so you can adjust the height for me or for my wife or whatever. And then I got to do final paint. I do have a louver door I got to go on here. So it'll have a door. It's actually sitting down there, back there in the corner. I got to cut it to size, and it'll go across here. Anyway, I'm going to leave you with that. I'll have more next week. See a lot more finish work being done. I've got the thing out in my driveway now, and so I can get in out of my garage. I got to build some shelves or some cabinets, or basically they're going to go along the wall here all the way back on both sides, stop short of where the bed's going to be, and build the bed and all that as well. Anyway, we're getting there. We're getting there. It's taken a lot of work to get to this point, but I think it's turning out well. Thank you and have a good day. I encourage you to go back and look at my previous videos on the same build to see how I got here. Take care.